Walmart is to the upside.
Yep. But so when you start to draw a trend line, you don't count that from the bottom of that long wick up,
Yes, I
or do
do.
you
Yep,
put it
I
in the
will.
middle?
Yep, yep.
Okay, so if you did that earlier though, then it would show that it's starting to go down. Is that correct?
Well, here, I'll draw this whole thing up for you to see this.
Yeah.
So right here on each one of these, let me get rid of all these. This is going to give me an idea what it's doing. You can see it's heavy. It's super heavy now. So I'm not sure where you got in or what was happening. But again, as long as it doesn't break this white line right here, you're still bullish. It is very heavy. It is below VWAP, which, as you know, is
Yep.
very bearish, right?
Yeah.
So it wants to sink like a ship any moment now on Walmart. Do you see it?
Yep. That's kind of what I was looking at. I just wasn't sure when you have a giant candle, if you start from down there,
I
if
do,
you
and the
don't.
only reason I do that is because it gives me an idea of what it's doing. Let me show you. So in the beginning, it was strong because this was the angle. See it to here?
Yeah.
So that was strong. You can see it's flattening out to here. Do you see the angle?
Yep.
Now it's super flat, and if it goes here, it's garbage and it's going to crash.
Okay.
And
So
some advanced traders, by the way, that's called angle trading. They
okay.
actually use the angle at which you can go from this trend line to tell you the strength of the position. And this to me is weak. And notice it's fallen since I said it. See it?
Yep. Okay.
There you
So
go.
I was kind of getting that right. Thank you.
You got it. If this breaks, because you can see a lot of traffic here, that's this one, the top of this one, this one, this one. This thing will be lights out below 141. It's basically 140, 150, by the way, even though it's off by a couple cents, but they'll do that. But below 140, 150, see you later, Walmart. And then your next level of support is 141.61, which it's breaking now. See that? Bye. Bye. Look,
Market's pulling.
there it
Bye
goes.
bye.
That's nice. Get ready for a big drop. You guys ready? Ready for this roller coaster ride? Look at that. Did anybody get in the puts while I set it up here, by the way? I'm talking about it, but I don't, because I'm training, I'm not entering anything, but.
Yes, I
I
did.
did.
Oh, nice.
Scalping apples going down also, and I started scalping that real quick.
Nice job. So right here, look at this, you guys. So we called it here. Hopefully somebody got into these Walmart puts. That was a nice printer. Look at it. There it goes. There it goes. Look at Walmart.
Go.